Have fun, children.
Wow! The wild safari is going to be so much fun. Yes, Priya. I'm really excited about seeing all the wild animals. I want to see a lion. And I want to see a giraffe. It is so tall. Taller than a bus. I want to see a hippopotamus and a big bear. We have reached! Yay! Look at those tents! Yay!
Okay, children, calm down. Let us get down from the bus and put our bags in the tents.
Okay, teacher!
And then we can go for the safari.
Yay! Wow! Look! We are going to go in a jeep! This is going to be a lot of fun! Look at all the big trees around us! Look! There is a monkey on that tree!
Yes, monkeys live on trees and they love to eat bananas. They are very good at jumping from one tree to another.
Wow!
But you must keep your water bottle away from them, else the monkeys will come and grab it.
Teacher, what's that over there?
Those are deer. They eat grass and run very fast.
Such long pointed ears!
Those are antlers, children. The deer use them for their protection.
And look, there is a baby deer too!
Yes, a baby deer is called a fawn.
Look, teacher! Elephants! They are so big!
Yes. Tell me, children, how do we put food in our mouth?
With the hands, teacher!
Correct. But did you know that an elephant uses its trunk to pick up food and put in its mouth?
But then where does the elephant breathe from, teacher?
The long trunk is its nose.
So, it picks up food with its nose?
Yes, Reena.
Such a long nose! Look, a cute little baby elephant! What is a baby elephant called?
A baby elephant is called a calf.
Look there! Giraffes! Wow! They are so tall!
Yes, Nikhil. A giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It can reach trees to eat the leaves easily. And look there, a baby giraffe. It is called a calf too.
Look, teacher! A zebra!
Yes, that is a zebra with black and white stripes.
It looks like the zebra crossings we have on roads! Teacher, when will we see a lion?
We will have to go a little deeper into the jungle. Lions and tigers stay alone as the rest of the animals are scared of them. Look, there are lions.
Wow! It is so big! Why are the other animals so scared of the lion?
Lions and tigers eat other animals. That is why the other animals are scared of them.
Look! There are baby lions too! What are they called, teacher?
A baby lion is called a cub. And look, a tiger. Did you notice? It too has black stripes, like a zebra.
Such a loud roar! Look, a dog with a furry tail.
That is not a dog, Reena. It is a fox. Its face looks like a face of a dog, but it has a thick furry coat with a furry tail.
Teacher, is that a bear?
Yes, that is a bear. It eats fish and honey.
Wow, even I love honey.
So, children, did you have fun?
Yes, teacher. I saw a tiger for the first time.
That's great, Raju. Now let us go back for lunch.
Teacher, what do we call the animals that live in the jungle?
They are called wild animals.
Wild animals are so brave. They live alone in the jungle. Teacher, which other animals live in the jungle?
There are many more animals which live in the jungle. We will see those animals after lunch.
Yay!
See, this is a kangaroo.
Teacher, look! It has a bag with a baby kangaroo in it.
Yes, Reena, that is a pouch where kangaroos keep their babies. Do you know what a kangaroo's baby is called? A joey. A kangaroo moves around by hopping on its two legs. And this is a wolf.
It looks like a dog.
Yes, but it is a wild animal, like a fox. This is a hippopotamus. It loves to stay in water all day.
It is so big.
Yes, but they can run faster than us.
Really? Wow!
And this is a rhinoceros. It has one horn above its nose. This is a leopard. It is one of the fastest animals in the world. And this is a hyena. It can make laughing sounds.
They look like thin dogs. Wow! So many different kinds of animals live in the forest.
Yes, now let us all rest for some time. We will have more fun tomorrow.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, children, get ready for the safari. Come, Raju, I will help you wear your shoes.
Thank you, teacher.
Today, we will see some more wild animals in the jungle.
Look, such a big monkey.
Raju, it is a gorilla. And look there, that is a chimpanzee.
Wow, the gorilla looked like a big hairy monkey man. Teacher, why do all wild animals look so big and scary?
You know, there are two wild animals which look like big teddy bears. A giant panda, which looks like a cute cuddly bear, and a koala bear, which is much smaller in size.
Wow, I wish I could keep one of them with me. A jungle is such a fun place to be.
Yes, it is. Now come on, children, get on the bus. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Uncle. Thank you for the lovely time and yummy food, Uncle. And for showing us so many different animals. And for the comfortable tents too. Everything was so nice. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, kids. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.